Hello kids, welcome to my Little Star Learning and Playing YouTube channel.
Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 50. Let's start counting together. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6. This is number 7. This is number 8. This is number 9. This is number 10. This is number 11. This is number 12. This is number 13. This is number 14. This is number 15. This is number 16. This is number 17. This is number 18. This is number 19. This is number 20. This is number 21. This is number 22. This is number 23. This is number 24. This is number 25. This is number 26. This is number 27. This is number 28. This is number 29. This is number 30. This is number 31. This is number 32. This is number 33. This is number 34. This is number 35. This is number 36. This is number 37. This is number 38. This is number 39. This is number 40. This is number 41. This is number 42. This is number 43. This is number 44. This is number 45. This is number 46. This is number 47. This is number 48. This is number 49. This is number 50. Hooray! You did it! We counted from 1 all the way to 50. Practice every day, and soon you'll be a number star.
Thank you. Please do subscribe to my Little Star Learning and Playing